Just about everybody loves garlic and tomatoes. If you're on that list, stay tuned because we have a super simple, delectable pizza you are not going to want to miss.
She's right. Hey everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
So garlic confit is having a moment right now. If you're spending any time on social media, I do. You'll see tons of recipes for garlic confit, and they're smearing it on all kinds of stuff. So we thought today it would be fun to do a garlic and tomato confit pizza. So confit it's been around for a long time. They will they'll cook meats traditionally in oil for long periods of time as a way to kind of preserve it. But you can totally do this with vegetables as well, and that's what we're going to do today. This is going to be a super fun pizza. We've got a medley of cherry tomatoes, garlic. We're going to toast some pine nuts because you all know how much I like toasted nuts. And then we're going to also put we made a Sicilian pesto that is pesto alla Trapanese. It's beautiful. It's got tomatoes in it. So it's really going to punch up the tomato flavor in this. I think it's going to be awesome.
Yep. And citrus. It's got a citrus.
No.
That one doesn't have the citrus?
No.
I can't keep them straight. We make so many.
I know. You're fired.
No, I'm not. There's a lot of varieties of pesto, so stay tuned. We use them all, and this is not the citrus one.
Yes,
Noted.
But it's still good.
Yep. Yep. All right, let's make some pizza.
We're going to start with our confit by getting our tomatoes and garlic into a small baking dish and then covering them with wonderful olive oil. After that, we're going to add in all of our seasonings and get that mixed up and ready to go into the oven. With our oven heated up to 300 degrees, we're going to get our confit in and let it cook for about an hour. And we're going to stir it about midway through. So it's been 30 minutes. I'm going to just give the confit a quick stir, and it is smelling incredible. I'm going to let it go for about another 30 minutes, but I'm really looking for the garlic to turn golden brown and the tomatoes to get kind of nice and wrinkly. The confit is ready to come out, and I'm rocking Grandma's oven mitts to get it. It looks amazing. We've let the confit cool down a little bit, and now it's time to strain it out. Whatever you do, save the olive oil because it tastes incredible and will be great as a cooking oil, or you could use it on toasted bread of any kind. Finally, we're going to get our pine nuts toasted. So we're going to warm up a pan over medium heat, dry, no oil, and get our pine nuts in there and toss them around a little bit. It's been about 5 minutes and these pine nuts are a perfect toasty golden brown.
All right, we're ready for the fun stuff. Actually making the pizza. I'm going to get some flour on my blade to grab the dough and get it onto the board to stretch it into the shape. We've got lots of nice bubbles. This dough is so light and airy. It's so yummy. We're going to remove the extra flour as we go and keep stretching until the dough is naturally in the desired shape and size. Then we'll get it on the peel, prepped with a healthy dose of semolina so it doesn't stick and it launches nicely into the uni. We're going to use a base of just olive oil from our tomato and garlic confit, then our Daiya 4-cheese Italian blend cheese, followed by our garlic and tomatoes. They are nice and squishy, having baked in the oven. Then we're going to put several dollops of our pesto alla Trapanese, and now it's ready for the uni. When it comes out, we'll finish it with toasted pine nuts and chopped basil.
this looks amazing. It really, yeah. Wish you guys were here to try it with us, but you're not.
So you have to make it at home. That's
yes.
why we're doing this.
But
make it at home.
It looks awesome, and I'm really done talking. I want to put it in my mouth.
Okay.
Okay. I gave you a baby cut.
You did. We let it sit a little bit.
But that's okay. Here we go.
Look at that dough.
Wow. It is so good that Bailey, our dog, is behind us because he knows we're eating pizza, and his brother Oliver's coming over. This is so the combination.
Like the best garden veggie ever.
It's the doing those tomatoes in the confit super intensified the tomato flavor, and then adding
the toasted pine nuts for a little crisp
and the basil. Crunch. And I'll tell you what, that the addition of that pesto. The Trapanese, really with the fact that that's a tomato-based pesto, I think it really, if you love tomatoes and garlic, you have to make this now.
Yeah.
I mean, finish watching this, but then go make it.
All the ingredients, recipes down below. Yep,
recipe for everything. We even linked, so there'll be a link down below for the pesto Trapanese, but this was absolutely awesome.
This is good.
Nicely done. Winner. That is a winner and a keeper. So if you like what we're doing, give us a follow, subscribe, tell every human being that you know in the world about us. Yeah.
Be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants.
See you, everybody.